Meaning of housing development.
Housing development.
Housing development.
Housing development.
Housing development. Housing development refers to the process of creating new residential buildings or improving the existing ones. It involves various tasks such as land acquisition, design, construction, and marketing of the houses. The aim of housing development is to provide suitable and affordable accommodation for individuals and families. This can be achieved through different approaches, including government-funded social housing projects, private sector initiatives, or public-private partnerships. The result of successful housing development is a community with decent housing and amenities that meet the needs of its residents, contributing to their well-being and quality of life.